is the last day of Hotel Show, 19th of September, and it also happens to be my birthday, so happy birthday to me. Hotel Show today is Thursday, so they are hoping that a lot of people will visit the stands today because it's the weekend here in Dubai, and tomorrow everybody is off. So they are hoping, the exhibitors are hoping that they will see more people visiting the Hotel Show today. And we've received a mixed kind of review actually. Some people said they have got a lot of potential clients and they're looking forward to a great business relationship with them. And there are some who are still waiting. So we also had a couple of inquiries yesterday at our booth actually. It looks good, and we are hoping that we will meet more of them today, and looking forward to a great day at Hotel Show. Okay, so if you're passing by World Trade Center, do meet us in the stand, Sheikh Saeed, hall number 1. We are here, Hospitality Group. See you soon, guys. Chef table here is like the chefs are very busy there. A lot of food tasting, cooking, and serving is happening behind. There are some guests who have been invited by the team, and Emirates Cullunaire Guild is a part of the organizing committee. You can see the judges there behind judging the participants, and it's all going good here. Filling up slowly. A lot of people have started coming in. It's half day already gone, mid-afternoon, 12:30, and you see people coming in now slowly. Still, it ends at 7 o'clock, so maybe people have plans of coming after lunch. So a lot of business opportunities for the suppliers as well as the hotels, because if they're opening a new hotel or have existing hotel who need suppliers to fill up their, the mattresses, the curtains, or any crockery and everything, so they will be here. And hope everybody gets good business from here. Hotel Show, Day 3.